quando nos needed one you only quando nos needed one you only quando nos needed.
Good morning, guys, and hope you all are having a great week. It is Thursday, and the Washington, D.C. area got hit with an ice storm. I mean, it was more or less like freezing rain and freezing drizzle, but yeah, a lot of it froze on the trees, but not on the road. So it was actually not bad getting here. We're under a 2-hour delay, so it's currently 10:05 right now. I figure I have a little time to vlog here since I got to school early. But on my other channel, I mentioned a couple of really important things. And this past week, I had a lot going on, especially with my job, and I was so overwhelmed that I ended up taking a couple of days for myself, and I went to schedule a couple of important appointments, including one with a psychologist, and I had a consultation with her a couple of days ago, and I am exploring the possibility that I may be autistic. And when I spoke with her, she was telling me that, she basically said to me that she could see it right away. And I took a couple of preliminary assessments that have diagnosed me with autism, even though they're not really considered official just yet. But she's taking me under her wing, and we are going to be looking into that. We're going to be running a couple of tests, doing a couple of counseling sessions, and it really is very eye-opening because a few days ago, before I spoke with her, before I got more or less a confirmation, I felt so overwhelmed, so lost. I felt like deep within I was shutting down, and I just did not know if it was me or if it was something a little bit deeper. So I woke up today. I feel completely and entirely brand new. I feel like everything has changed, and I am living for the first time in my life, and it's exciting. I'm a little bit nervous, but I am also excited because now with this potential prognosis, I'm just wondering, okay, what changes are now going to occur in my life? A lot of people don't realize how big of a deal this is, but no, I shouldn't say that. That's a very presumptuous statement. That's not a very good generalization. So, people, any kind of diagnosis, whether it is mental, emotional, especially physical, it alters everything. It changes everything. And now with this, I'm wondering what next, basically. It's scary, but it's exciting. All right, you guys, well, I'm going to go in now and try to dry off, and yeah, I will see everybody a little bit later. What's up, you guys? It is time to go home. The day has ended, and it's a little better today, but it was a shorter day. We did have a 2-hour delay, so it was kind of fast-paced, and the schedule was a little different, but made it work today. Anyway, but I'm gonna go home, gonna take a nap, and then head to bowling. All right, good evening, guys. I'm here at the bowling alley, and it is another league night, and I am it's the end of the week, and I'm happy about that, very happy about that. But I'm just making it through. It's pretty much what I've been doing all week long, is surviving. Those 2 days to myself really helped, thank God. And yeah, I'm just ready for Friday tomorrow, and then it's gonna be another full week next week. Fun. Hey, you guys, just left the bowling alley now, so I am headed home. I did not do well tonight, bowling-wise, but anyway, at least my running was great this week, though, so I am happy about that. Anyway, all all right, guys, I'm gonna head home and just take it easy for the rest of the night, and then just probably get to bed early. We'll see, but I'm gonna try to get in contact with Jack. Maybe I'll try to call him before I go to bed. He's gonna be leaving for Denver tomorrow, and he's actually going to be getting the SUV and driving it all the way back to Dayton. So he's going with his mom, so he won't be entirely alone, so I'm happy about that. I wish I could have accompanied him, but I have to work. Anyway, all right, guys, I'll see you later. Good morning and happy Friday, and I am having coffee in my Ted Lasso mug, and I am glad the week is over, even though it's been a very uneven week, and I'm just trying to get prepared for the months ahead because I just have a lot of challenges with my job that I'm just going to try and face on my own and tackle head on, and just try to tackle, Super Bowl weekend. I'm not going to watch the Super Bowl, by the way. But of course, there's a lot that I'm going to have to deal with all on my own, and I mean, with some support. I do have some support, and they're a pretty good support system, but unfortunately it's just not enough with what I'm dealing with. With my recent revelation, it's almost like it's day 2, day 3 of my new life, and it feels good. It feels really good. I, just have to learn to be a little more relaxed, be a little calmer, a little more open and transparent, and just be myself. Oh, you guys, it was quite a day. Oh my God. Okay, so it was just very stressful, and I just felt like I was nonstop just running all over the place and dealing with tantrums, dealing with emotions. It's just, oh my goodness. And then to top it all off, wow, it was just poop-tastic, literally. I'm not going to say who, I'm not going to say what, but it's just, let's just say we were changing a diaper, and because of squirreliness and throwing our bodies, poop just went everywhere. Yeah, so that was fun to clean up. Thank God it's Friday. Good morning and happy weekend. Finally, it feels like. So today it is probably going to be our final taste of winter. We have just kind of like freezing precipitation and sleet moving through today, and then the next several weeks look pretty dry for us anyway. So yeah, just going to enjoy it because this looks like it might be it, even though we have had March storms before.
Don't be mean, give it to her. Yeah, poor baby. Here you go. Just like pull it out of her hand. She's like, drop it.
Good evening, everybody. I just woke up from a pretty long nap, actually. I have been sleeping I've only been averaging like 6.5 to 7 hours almost every night. And I think it's just because of my job. Like, I'm getting up early every day, and my job is relatively stressful and high stimulation. And yeah, I don't know. I can never seem to get like a full 8 hours. So I took a nap for about an hour and 15 minutes, and I'm on Duolingo right now, and I'm actually learning Spanish and Chinese. No, I'm not going to speak any right now because it's awful at the moment. But yeah, and I've just been trying to catch up on some reading. I want to start reading more. That was one of my resolutions this year, and I would love to try to read a book every month and eventually go back to reading 2 to 3 books per month, which is what I used to average before. But I don't really have anything planned for the rest of the night other than I'm just going to probably have a glass of wine, then have some dinner, and I'm working on just applying for the school systems in Ohio and just trying to get everything squared away for my psychology tests and my appointments with my psychologist to determine and get an official autism diagnosis.
As long as you be my, as long as you.
Good morning and happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you all have had a great weekend and happy Super Bowl Sunday. I'm not watching the Super Bowl. Anyway, but I'm just headed to bowling practice now, and it's a really beautiful day. We're supposed to get some ugly weather this coming week, mix of like snow, sleet, ice, and all that fun jazz. But yeah, I'm just anticipating a full 5-day week because, I mean, unless we have snow days, we're going to have a full 5-day week, and it will be a shorter week after that. But actually, not this coming week, but the week after, me and Jack are going to Las Vegas to run the rock and roll 5K and half marathon. Well, I'm doing the half marathon. He's not, but it's going to be a lot of fun, and we're really excited about it. Are you guys off to bowling? All right, you guys, I had a great day bowling-wise. I think my lowest score today was like a 143. I played like 6 games total because we get free games. So during the practice league, it's 3 games. And then afterwards I use, because I'm in a league, I get free games. So I used up 3 more. And my hand feels like a claw right now. It feels so stiff. But I got my first 200 in a long time, so I'm very thrilled about that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna head home now, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just stop the vlog here. I will see you all this week. I'm gonna be doing more vlogs about teaching, about the life of a teacher, and I also want to put more bowling vlogs on this channel, but also more of just, my regular life, my daily life when I'm not with Jack, when it's not me and Jack, because we have our other channel for that. So go ahead and subscribe to that one too, and subscribe to this one. I cannot talk today. And all right, everybody, be safe tonight. Happy Super Bowl Sunday, and I will see you soon.